Jai Hind, guys. So this is Eddie Roy reporting from Shillong, and today I am at Tata showroom, Shillong. So this is Frank Motors, the dealer of Tata cars in Shillong. So you can see today is a beautiful sunny day and blue skies. So let us go inside. This is Punch in a dual tone. So let's go in. This is the showroom. Here in the front there is a Safari. Here is a Punch. But सब्सक्राइब किया कि नहीं? अगर नहीं किया है तो अभी करो और वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो and ठोको ताली. Okay? So I am at the service center of Frank Motors, the authorized Tata car dealers in Shillong. The Punch comes with a 1200cc engine, 3-cylinder, which produces 87 bhp of power and 115 Nm of torque. This power and torque output is what you get in the competition as well. Talking about creative model of Punch, which is the top model, it gets a decent cabin. These are all hard plastics, and here is some design elements. This area is again, if you look at closely, this has got some designs in there. This is also a hard plastic but looks decent enough. A 7-inch infotainment system and AC vents, AC here, manual gearbox. Then it has got handrest also in the front seats, even for the passenger seats. The seats come with fabric seats covers and the quality is very nice. The design is also very good, attractive, and it comes with adjustable headrest in front and rear also. Unlike the driver's side door, the passenger side door doesn't have a facility of a passive key entry. Rear door, the opening is from here. And again, this, like other Tata cars, the door opens 90 degree. So in case and getting out of the vehicle is pretty decent. Space is just decent here. Remember, it's a B segment car, so you can't get a very big space inside, but decent enough with 2 adjustable headrests. The creative variant has got a antenna like this one and a dual tone roof. This is a black one, and this is a light blue color shade. The tail lamp is beautifully done, looks good. Even from the rear it looks damn good. The Tata logo is here, the name of the model is here. Wiper and washer. Defogger is also there. Diamond cut alloy wheels, reflector and a design on the rear bumper. The tire size is 195 by 60 R16, and the tire given here by the company is by Apollo. The front gets slim DRLs above the headlights, like you get one in Harrier, and it looks pretty muscular and pumped up like an SUV. Tata has been very clever to put the look of the Punch on a steroid and give a very masculine look and that feel of SUV, the quality micro SUV, and has pitted it against the Ignis, and the responses has been pretty good. It has got cladding all around, including the wheel arches. Here is a Nexon, purple shade, and you can also have a look at the white Punch. So I am at the service center of Tata Motors in Shillong, which is by Frank Motors, and this is the office reception, and the officials are working here. And here's the customer lounge, glass partition. So if you're sitting here also, you can see your vehicles being serviced properly or not. So the customer lounge is pretty okay, pretty nice. It has got a TV, and also it has got coffee and tea dispenser, water dispenser, disposable cups. So that the office space here, the service advisors, and the CRM, the customer relationship manager. She sits here, very efficient, very courteous, and thank you very much. And the service manager is here. He is also very courteous and helpful. His name is Amit. Thank you very much. I have never faced any problem in Frank Motors Service Center. So the location is at Lightcore, Shillong. In case you have any inquiries, then you can contact them. So here is the contact details for the Frank Motor Service Center. You can pause the video and note down the numbers. So guys, today I am driving this Punch. Today I'll delve upon the issue of how it drives, number one, and what makes Punch so popular. So as far as driving is concerned, see, this one comes with 1200cc engine, which produces around 83-84 bhp of power and 113 or 14 Newton meter of torque. Now this is a B segment car, which is about 3.83 meter long and 1.74 meter wide, and the carb weight of the car is about 1035 kg. So this powertrain is sufficient for this particular car. Now there are also other cars in the category which have similar powertrain outputs, but like you can, for example, the recently or 1 year before they launched the Exter, Hyundai Exter, but then the old jackal of the field, there is the Ignis is there. These are small compact city so-called SUVs. But why Punch sells like hotcakes is this, because this machine now with the BS6 phase 2 is pretty much refined. Yes, it is nowhere near to that Maruti 1.2 engine. Even that Hyundai, that 1.2 liter engine is a little bit more refined. And this is a 3-cylinder, and those two vehicles that I talked about is 4-cylinder engines. So this is not as refined as them, but still it serves the purpose pretty well. And I'm driving in Shillong, which is a hilly region. Even here is not giving any issues about the power. It's just educate. If you are not in a very driving enthusiast, you want to race your car, then you don't feel the any lack of power. So drive-wise it is okay. It gives a good mileage also. Now second thing is this: why it sells like a hot cake compared to other cars. See, Tata made a brilliant move with the design of Punch. It really gave it some steroid and made it muscular and made it look SUV-ish. Now, compared to the Exter and compared to the Ignis, this looks much more masculine, SUV-ish, and you sit pretty high. Plus, on top of it, in the top variant, that is the creative variant of it, here I am sitting with a very premium sound system with a 8-speaker sound system here, which is by Harman, and gives a fantastic sound. And you sit high, that I have already told you, The space inside is just decent for a small family. The rear seat can accommodate two persons. A third person will be a little bit difficult, but for a short distance, third person can squeeze in. The height is quite okay, so you don't hit your head into the ceiling. Doors open 90 degree, so ingress and egress from the car is very easy, even for senior people. So these are the small few reasons, I guess, the Punch selling in good numbers. The suspension is great. Tata cars, though, you know that the suspension is damn good. So in rural areas where the roads are not that good, it absorbs the bumps very well. Also, driver very composed driving. You can really feel the steering. The clutch is light. It gives you sense of safety. It's a 5-star safety rating car. We have got lots of towns and cities which are not having wide roads, and this is a compact vehicle, so it can easily maneuver the narrow lanes and bylanes of cities and towns and villages, because India lives in villages mostly. So these are the prime reasons, I guess, for which this car is doing so well. No reason to fail, why it should not be your choice. So you can go for it, definitely. So this is my thought. I guess missed out any important point, but if I missed out something, and if there are some cons, that also you can point out. And no car is perfect, so there will be some cons, like इसका जो पुलिंग है वो थोड़ा सा कमती है, like compared to Ignis and maybe Exter. That's it. That is what I sum up. Thank you guys for being with me. So signing off. Enjoy. Love you all. God bless you. Stay connected and subscribe नहीं किया अगर अभी तक, तब तो सही नहीं किया, अभी कर दो. उसमें जो लाइक बटन है उसमें दबा दो. Press that bell icon too, so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification. Bye. Love you.